You gotta take a nap.
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Get down. I did start on some grouting a couple days ago already. I got a little bit done. By a little bit, I mean about half of it. It's taking forever. It took me 2 days just to get halfway. So here's what that looks like right now. It's still got quite a bit of excess stuff that I need to wipe it down with. But it's going. So I'm going to be working on that today. Just got Clark down for a nap, and I'm going to go grab a cup of coffee and get started. So these are what I use to get the grout into the cracks. I go over it with a sponge, and this helps smooth out the grout surface and cleans up any excess. I'm not worrying about it being perfect because I can still get any light film of grout off of the tile after it's dried. The important part is getting all the clumps. Just got ready to use grout. I'm not mixing anything. I'm just getting it straight out of the bucket and putting it up onto the wall. As you can see, I painted my nails the other day and it's not going to last very long. Last time when I finished grouting, it actually looked like my nails were painted from the grout. So yeah, you get kind of messy.